Here's the truth. It doesn't matter how good your video is if nobody clicks on it and the thumbnail is what gets the click. But making a great one usually means wrestling with a photo editor, cutting yourself out of a background, adding big bold text, and trying to make it pop. It's fiddly and it takes forever. So today I'm going to show you how to make scroll-stopping YouTube thumbnails with AI, no design software using Runable, one of the best AI thumbnail makers out there. Let me show you how. There's a link in the description if you want to create your account and follow along. So let's jump in. Head to runnable.com, sign in, and on the home dashboard, open the artifact picker and select Create Image. Now, the whole trick to a great thumbnail is describing it for that job, high contrast, bold, and clear even when it's tiny. So don't just say, make a thumbnail. You'd say something like, create a YouTube thumbnail in 16:9, a shocked person on the left pointing at a glowing stack of money on the right, bright saturated colors, dramatic lighting, high contrast, with big empty space on the left for bold text. See how that's built to grab attention and leave room for your title? And here's where Runable really shines for thumbnails specifically. First, it can edit text inside the image, so you can add that big, punchy 3 or 4 word headline right onto the thumbnail and have it look clean and bold. Second, region-based editing, which is perfect here. You can point at just one part, the face, the object, the text, and change only that without regenerating the whole thing, so you can nail the exact look. And third, remove backgrounds and upscale so you can drop yourself or your subject onto a dramatic background and export it in crisp, high resolution. So the workflow is fast and honestly kind of fun. You generate your base thumbnail, then you just refine by talking. You can say, make the colors more saturated, or change the text to this changed everything, or make the facial expression more shocked, or upscale it for a sharper look. And because you can spin up variations in seconds, you can make 3 or 4 different thumbnails for the same video and pick the one that's most clickable, or even test them. When you're happy, you download it as a high quality PNG in that 16:9 ratio, and it's ready to upload straight to YouTube. Something that used to take you half an hour in an editor, done in a couple of minutes, and built to get the click. So that's the whole thing. You pick Create Image, you describe a bold, high contrast thumbnail with room for text, you add your headline right inside the image, you fine tune with region editing, and you export a scroll stopping thumbnail in minutes. And that's it. That's how you make YouTube thumbnails with AI using Runable. If this is gonna help your videos get more clicks, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.